Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I will teach you how to get YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can enjoy an ad-free experience, offline downloads, and access to YouTube Music. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account on YouTube. Now, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for Paid Memberships or YouTube Premium and click on it. In the Premium section, you'll see different plans. Select the Family option. This plan allows you to invite up to 5 additional family members to share the benefits. Review your selections, and if everything looks good, proceed to set up your payment method. This will be used for the monthly charges. Now you and your family members can enjoy an ad-free YouTube experience, offline playback, and more. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll meet you in the next one.